Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the Morphy Richards Special Edition Accents Kettle in Sand. As you can see, it's very pretty and it looks great in my kitchen. It's also available in different colors like azure, pebble, etc. It's got a pyramid shape. Let's look at the key features of this kettle. It comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. The water capacity of this kettle is 1.5 liters, which would be enough to make up to 6 drinks at a time. It's got a 360-degree base, so it's easy to use right or left-handed. It's also got a easy view water window to view how much water is in the kettle. Right now I've got 2 cups of water in. It's got a rapid boil feature for a hot drink in a hurry. It comes with a boil dry protector, so if there isn't enough water in the kettle, it will automatically switch it off, which I think is a great safety feature. It's got concealed elements inside, so it's easy to clean. It's got a lime scale filter which will stop scale getting into your drink. I can show you it. So there's a lime scale filter inside. That's the lid. It uses 3000 watt power, which means it comes under the rapid boil category. It's a timeless classic design, and let's try this on just now. So if I switch it on, there is a light that blinks as well. It's tea time. Okay, so the water is boiled now. I'm trying to pour this. I would say it's a timeless classic design. A matching toaster is also available to buy. Thank you so much AO.com for sending me this kettle to review and keep.